And we are live. Waiting to see. YouTube says excellent connection. I really hope so. And we have the music on. And the video number is correct. Let's see. Still working on switching Heromon after current has fallen. There we go. I hope this is right. Oh yeah, one more thing. I am super tired today and this might be a short stream because of it. But the most important part is... Yep. Le drink. And like I do most of my streams, I want to see where I were. I know pretty much already, but we want to faint, so we get this screen, and the switch button is gray, and it's still gray, name thingy, switch, and there something should happen. And I suspect that I didn't make a button class for that button. Switch button text. Oh my god, I am so stupid. Let's just make this class. New switch button. I don't think I have one of those. I sometimes can't believe myself. Oh, that's bad. Where do we have the combat phase? Hello, combat phase. We need a texture in the rectangle. Texture 2D. Let's privatize it. Texture 2D, texture. Alright. Private rectangle box. And let's set a color as well. Display color, because that's gonna vary. And the constructor. No switch button. We need a content manager for sure. We're gonna need to tell the code what type of button it's gonna be. Let's say just T. We have the full name here. So let's start with the texture. cm.load. And it's at textures UI. And I think that's the one that's incorrectly spelled. Select new Hermon frame. No, that's incorrect. I think it is select. No, new switch button maybe? I can just double click on it. Yep. That's the one. Let's see. Box. Oh, that's gonna depend. Maybe we don't need this. We can say type here anyways. And we can have box equals new rectangle. We can actually say that if type equals to switch, then we have this line. And where did we put this? We put it here. Equals a new rectangle. Yep. Let's stick with this. Let's just say else box equals new rectangle and just 0 0 50 50, just so that if in case something is wrong with the type, we at least get this box in the top left corner. I'm gonna replace this later anyways. Display color. Let's say that display color equals color.white as the default. Where do we have the button press? At select new Hermon probably. Here. Oh, this is kind of bad. Oh, we don't have the button press. Right. We only have the draw function, so let's add the draw function. sb.draw and texture box display color. And then we have public void update. This update's gonna take integer selected ID, probably more than that. I think we'll need rectangle mouse box as well. And if mouse box dot intersects with box, if mouse dot get state equals button state, no, dot left button equals button state dot pressed. Oh, double equal. It's a comparison. Let's see. If we press the mouse button, something. It's probably gonna be like if. Oh, we can't reach the type. Maybe we have to put the type here anyways. And say T, and then let's start with the type equals T. If type equals switch, switch logic. I think we're gonna have if type equals details, you're gonna get details about the hero mode instead. New switch button, that's a really bad class name actually. It's gonna confuse me to death. Okay, but we got the basics. If select ID is less than 0, let's do this. If selected ID is less than 0, then display color equals color.cornflower blue. And else, we could take a bool alive and else, and if alive display color equals color.white. I think this is gonna be the default color actually. If alive and else oh, it's cornflower blue there too. Display color equals color.cornflower blue. Yep. And now let's do the dangerous part. Yeah, we can't do that yet. We have to start up here at the top. Remove those. New switch, but let's say private. New switch button. And then we say new switch button equals new new switch button. CM switch. That's why new switch button is such a bad name, because I'm gonna use that class for the details button as well. But it's because it's a button in the area where you select, it's where you get to switch to a new hero mode. And there. I don't know. Here maybe? Or do we put this here? I think afterwards. New switch button dot update, and we need selected ID, we need mouse box, and we need, geez, we need H and select list at select, but this is only crap. I need a separate bool. Check alive. If selected ID is less than 0, then check alive equals false. Else check alive equals nhm select list at select ID dot heromon dot alive. And we put the check alive here. I think this is fine. And we get speed, calculator, turn, take damage, alive check, select new heromon. Here, this part should be replaceable with this line, which is really good. I am not sure if this is gonna work now, because I've been just coding without thinking too much. It's still there. Click, click, click. It still works just the same way, and that's really good. I want to remove this unnecessary console right line. And I want one here. If I do this, we should get... wait. If it intersects with box and alive equals true, I actually don't think I want it here. I want it here. Boom, 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 boom. Click, 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 click. Let's see. Click, 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 click. No. Sign of the button working there, and... oh yeah. You can see the result there in bottom left. That it worked. Perfect. I think this needs to be an integer, and we want int result equals -1, like I do almost every time. Return result, and result becomes selected ID. And we can say that if result if not result, can I say this? Result is bigger than -1. Is that even a possibility? No. If result is bigger than -1, no. Oh. Yeah, I think why is this? Oh, right, because it's not defined yet. Int result maybe the result needs to be, I hate my mouse. Maybe the result needs to be here. Holy shit. Okay. But now we should get an error here. Or maybe not. This one is an integer. Private int switch ID. Is that okay? And the switch ID is -1. If switch ID is bigger than -1, or bigger or equal to 0, bigger than -1. This is where we break. We run a function that switches the hieromon, and we break loose from increment number 9. Or we say increment ++, I believe. How do we do the turn? If action type is switch, if act it takes an actor and a target. Do we even need the target? I believe we only need the team. Let's add a function called quick switch and just say team. We're probably gonna need an integer for switch ID or swap number. And we're gonna create a hieromon tempmon equals team dot hieromons at position 0. And we say that team dot hieromons at position 0 equals team dot hieromons at position swap number. And team dot hieromons at position swap number equals tempmon. That's just a quick swap. So to clarify it, we create a clone out of the first Pokemon in the team, the one that we have active, and Then we say that the first one in the team is swapped by the one that I selected to switch into. And on the place where I swapped, I add the clone one. Quick switch, let's see. One sec. Alright, let's keep going. Quick switch. That's what we're gonna do. Quick switch. Now this is maybe we need both teams. What does the select new Heromon say? T1, T2. Is it even using them? What? T1, there we go. Yeah, of course. All right. Maybe in the quick switch. There we go. No. Bad move. Here we are. Oh, this has to be my team because we're clicking on the new switch button. Okay. Now it makes sense. Switch ID has to be. And then after the quick switch, we could actually add this here. Increment plus, I believe. Whew, okay. Please tell me this works. Nothing. Oh my god, it actually switched. And if I click here, it says 0 HP. This... Wait. Huh. That's a bug. You shouldn't be able to switch to someone that's wiped out. That's in... oh, where is this? Probably here. hs.click Hieromon selector, I think. Hieromon selector dot click, and the selector has its Hieromon. And Hieromon.alive. What happens if I do this? Can I switch still? That worked, okay. And switch back to this. Boom. Wait, that didn't switch the... Oh crap. No, that's not possible. It might have something to do with this. And hs.hieromon.alive. Maybe that. Okay, we switch to this one. The HP is not updated. That's not the important part. That was not what I wanted to happen. Maybe every time in battle, I believe. Any choice? Maybe I need to say that else if face equals, is it 2? 3? Then switch choice equals new switch choice. And we take CM and team 1. Does this work? That did not change. Nothing actually changed. if hs.heromon.alive, then we draw hs. This is just to see if we can make it invisible. Switch to this one. It actually recognizes that it's not alive. That's a good thing. Good to know. Maybe we need to say that switch choice. What did it say down here? If focus ID is 0, then slate gray. Okay. Did we have somewhere it says if its focus ID is equal to 0, then it's not clickable? Oh yeah. Pretty much. Or hs.heromon.alive equals false, or true rather. Or is it and? Did not change a thing there. Okay. Boom, boom. No. If selector list dot or selector list at focus ID dot heromon dot alive maybe. Name thingy. Switch. Oh! Oh, it crashed. Index was out of range. We need another. Maybe we can include it in this if focus ID isn't equal to -1 and so we don't get out of range. Switch, this one, click, this one, click, this one, click, and also if selector list at one dot hero1 dot alive then we say that it's white, else it's slate gray. Boom, boom, switch, it's slate gray, just like this one. Good. And we have one more issue, and that's the HP displayed here. I'm not entirely sure how it's displayed. It was such a long time ago. Must have been like my second stream or something. Let's see, I suspect that it's battle interface. Yep. And there we have it. Wait. No, that this does not help. When does it update? Battle interface. What happens if I say b interface.update? Team 1, team 2. Does it crash then? So far, so good. Everything works well there. Boom. And we have the correct HP. We can actually finish him off. Now, however, I think I know what happens. This combat phase, I think it has a reset function. Does it not? I'm surprised. Public void reset maybe. And reset would set increment to 0. Selected ID is -1. Switch ID is -1. And every time you enter this combat phase, If we decide to switch, we say that combat phase dot reset, and if we choose to attack, we say that combat phase dot reset as well. All right. Boom, boom. And still. Huh. Yeah, this is an issue created by the AI's HP being 0. I might as well say that... Oh, crap. Mm, 9. Let's see. A live check. Here. I think all we need to do is see that if T1 dot hero mons at position 0 dot alive equals false, then everything here, we put everything here. Else if T2 dot hero mons 0 alive equals false, if T2 dot hero mons at 1 is alive, then HeroMon TempMon equals to T2 dot HeroMons 0, T2 dot HeroMons at 0 becomes T2 dot HeroMons. I think I should for loop. Let me for loop instead. T2 dot HeroMons dot count. I'm starting to get real tired. Let's see. No, it starts at 1. If t2 dot heromons at I dot alive bool finish equals false. Can I say finished equals false as another statement? And finished equals false. One parenthesis, right? Oh. T2. No, heromon tempmon equals t2 dot heromons at position 0. t2 dot heromons at position 0 becomes t2 dot heromons at position I. t2 dot heromons at position I becomes tempmon, and finish equals to true. And if after all this, if finished is still equal to false, oh shit. Whew. Well, then we got a problem. I think I could actually say that this is an integer and int result equal to -1 like always, or maybe it's equal to 0 this time, and result equals -1. Return result, and I don't think we need to do much about it. We need to go here. Int check we need to check if the battle's still gonna go on. That's such a bad name, but int battle check equal to 0, and battle check equal to this. I could actually just say that. If battle check equal to -1, then increment is 100. And in the battle, holy crap, how much I failed today is insane. Combat in 10 here, increment is equal to that. Oh no. Let's say -10 then. -10. It's in battle. Else if increment is -10. Battle check is equal to increment and return battle check. This is so messy, it's insane. And I make this an integer and int battle check equal to 0. And we go to game, I believe. And say that int battle check equal to 0. No, it's equal to this actually. If battle check is equal to -10, was it? I think. Then this dot accept. Did we put it to -10? Yeah. I'm really scared for this. I wrote a lot of code without testing. Let's go with this one. HP is correct. And attack. And everything stops. But we did see this the selection screen for a split second. Which could be bad. It was in combat phase. Let's see. And Battle Shank isn't -10. What? It's because battle check should be created here. There. Maybe it's okay now. Okay. Switch. And we attack. And we still get that screen. Oh crap. That's really, really, really annoying. Combat phase. There. Now I'm experimenting, but I think it will work. Oh, what? Stupid mouse. Oh, I do hope this works. It still actually happened. It's because of this. So there's really nothing I can do about it right now. But I'm quite satisfied with where I am. We didn't do very much this time, but we still got somewhere. So now that one faints, we can actually swap into something else. I don't remember. Yeah, we solved not being able to switch into Heromon that are not alive as well, I believe. That's good. Next time I believe we will refine this so that you can see that it's not alive. Just you don't have to look at the HP there to know. I believe I might do that thing. And maybe add another hero mode for the enemy so that I can make sure that the enemy switches into the next one. So that we get somewhere. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next stream.